Hello, my fabulous followers. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's makeup look is going to be on this navy blue eye makeup look. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and the main color here is Twerk, which is this really pretty navy blue color. This spoke to me, this color. I knew I wanted to make something with it, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's just get right into it. So we're putting this into voiceover, so we're gonna grab Silk Creme and MFEO from the palette, and we're gonna use that as our transition. So now we're picking up Roxanne and Hunts from the palette, and we're putting that just below our crease a bit. So now to darken everything, we're picking up Jackson Chips, and we're placing that where we put Roxanne and Hunts, just to darken everything up. We're going to spray our brush with some Fix Plus, and we're going to pick up Twerk from the palette, which is such a nice royal blue, and we're also going to mix Royalty in, which is the purple right beside it as well. I'm going to fast forward this part because this took me a good 5 minutes to do. You want to be nice and slow and just take your time with this, just because you don't want to screw up on this part. So now I'm picking up Soda Pop and Abby's, and I'm putting that right between the lid shade and the crease shade just to give it more of a smokier eye and blend everything nicely together. So since we're done blending our crease colors together, now we're just going back in with Twerk and Royalty just to intensify the lid once more, just to make sure we have enough pigment on the lid. So I did finish the other eye off camera, and I did pop on some 116 Ardell Wispies in the color black. I just grabbed the Laura Mercier foundation primer, the hydrating one. And for foundation, I did use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte plus poreless one, and I'm in the shade 125, which is called Nude Beige. For concealer, I'm also using the Maybelline concealer, and this is in the shade 25, which is called Medium. And I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender to blend that all in. To set my under eyes and like most of my face, I'm using the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. I love this stuff. This is from the drugstore, and it's just so amazing. There's no words for it. Since my under eyes are setted now, I'm using Chip and Abby's to smoke out the lower lash line, and it's just going to give it a more smoky effect to the whole eye and makeup look. For bronzer, I'm using my favorite. This is from ColourPop. It's their bronzer. I don't know the name of it because it came through the packaging, like the cardboard packaging, but I did throw that out. And then I didn't notice it didn't say on the bottom. So I don't know the name of it, but it is from ColourPop and it's super good. For blush, I'm using this one by Physicians Formula. It's called Mineral Glow. For highlighter, I'm using the ABH Nicole Guerrero, and I'm using the two middle shades, which is Forever Young and Glow Getter. These are my two favorite, and I love mixing them together. And I'm putting this everywhere, on the bridge of my nose, on my cheeks, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, everywhere. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this a really big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and leave it down below what you guys want to see next. Me and Jessica are trying to film more often now. I'm trying to find a good schedule to start filming. So yeah, my camera did stop because I had no more memory on my other SIM card. So for the lips, I just did use MAC Creme de Nude Cream Stick, and that's basically just it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.